Today's video will be unboxing the complete car wash and detail kit from Chemical Guys. Let's get into the video. Look how cool the lid is. That is cool. And by the way, I got this at 40 bucks from Walmart. So if you guys are looking for one thing, you can go to Walmart for 40. Let's start with, it smells good. Okay. It comes with a wash mitt. Green color. Microfiber towel. Oh, I think there's, let's see. I think there's 3 towels in here. You have 3. This is like a trapper for like dirt and stuff. When you wash your car, you put it in the bowl, like in the bucket. It might be set like this. I can't remember. But shipping bags. What's this? Okay, some kind of maybe a sponge, but I don't know if it's for interior or just like normal wash. That's cool. What's this? Wash and wax stream. Hold on. Yeah, this is a soap for it. Tire shine, wheel and cleaner, interior cleaner, Diablo color. That's cool. This is cool. And that's it for the bucket. I just want to show you guys the bucket so you know which one I got. Okay, here's the stuff that's in it. This bucket's cool. Let me show you guys how to put the trapper in. Like that when you wash and stuff. All the dirt and stuff will be underneath it. So you always keep clean your towels and mittens and stuff. So that's pretty cool. So let me know down in the comments if you guys think this is worth 40 bucks. Also, I picked up something else that's Chemical Guys related. Let me show you. So I saw this for a couple more bucks. A scratch and squirrel remover kit. I've never tried it before, but I'm going to try it because supposedly this is good for like squirrels and scratches and stuff. So I don't know. Let me know down if you guys ever used it before. Alright. Thank you guys for watching this video. Got some cool videos coming up soon, so you guys subscribe, like, and comment. Let me know down if you guys ever use Chemical Guys before. Alright, peace.
Promise you you'll catch me.